Hello everybody, welcome. My name is Abid. Today we will discuss your fifth question. Your fifth question is, why did nationalist tension emerged in Balkans? So I in Balkans. Before we discuss this topic or these questions, I have shown you that Balkana was the state of the Romania in which we found some countries, and it was ruled by the, you can say, Ottoman Empire. Come to the point. So our question is, why did nationalist tension emerge in the Balkans? So here the Balkans was a region of geographical and ethnic variation comprising of the modern day Romania, Bulgaria, Albania, Greece, Macedonia, Croatia, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Slovenia, Serbia, and the Montenegro. The habitants were called the slaves, and those people they lived in Balkans. I have discussed illustratively the last video where we found the who were Balkans, and Balkana region was belonged to the Romania, in which we found these countries, and it was the Balkans region were ruled by the Ottoman Empire, and how it had freed and how they passed their life during this period. So the separate of romantic nationalism lead to its disintegration. So due to the nationalism, the romantic nationalism, it has disintegrated, and one by one its Europe subject nationalists broken away, and slowly and gradually the whole of the nation, or you can say the whole of the Europe, has been disintegrated, and all the European subjects nationalists broken away, and different Slavic nationalities struggled to define their identity, and Balkan region became a region of intense conflict or expansion of territory. So here we found the previous last video I have illustrated discussed with you that Balkana was the main region when the Balkana had been freed from the rule of the Ottoman Empire. It has been divided into so many parts, but during that period the other European countries like Germany, Italy, they have extended their territories there, and they want to also rule there, but the people of the Balkan regions, the Balkan region, or you can say it has become, this region has intense conflict. Our explanation of the territory, or you can say the Balkan region had become the intense conflict for the First World War. So guys, here you also found that different Slavic nationalists struggled to define their identity, and Balkan region became a region. This region instance conflict over the expansion of the territory. At the same time, the great European powers, Russian, Germany, England, and Balkan control of the Balkan region, since it was important from the trade point of view. So you know that when the Balkans region had freed from the Ottoman Empire, and ultimately the other European countries, you can say the Germany, you can say the England, or you can say the Australia, they have extended their control, or you can say extend their territories, and they have controlled the Balkan. That's why because why they have control of the Balkan region, it is only because of it was important from trade point of view. So this led to series of wars in the region, and finally to the First World War. So guys, here we have discussed illustratively why did nationalist tension emerged in the Balkan. So here we have discussed illustratively that Balkan was were the place where this place were under control of the Ottoman Empire, and when it had been freed from the Ottoman Empire, it has become under control of the European countries like the Germany, Australia, etc., etc. And due to this cause it has become the reason, or you can say become the conflict for the First World War. So guys, we have discussed this topic illustrately. If you have any problem or any misunderstanding, you can ask me and comment on these lectures and videos. Hope you will get exposure, and through these videos you will get benefit and crack your examination. And hope you subscribe this channel and share these videos. Thank you very much.